What direction do I turn the gas fireplace key to turn it on or off?
Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to operate a gas fireplace. One common question many people have is which direction to turn the gas fireplace key to turn it on or off. In this video, we'll provide a clear answer to this question and guide you through the process. Let's get started.
Turning on the gas fireplace.
To turn on a gas fireplace, follow these steps. 1. Locate the gas fireplace key. The gas fireplace key is typically a small metal rod with a handle, located near the fireplace. 2. Insert the key. Insert the key into the gas valve, which is usually located on the side or underneath the fireplace. 3. Turn the key. To turn on the gas fireplace, turn the key in a clockwise direction. You should feel some resistance as you turn the key. 4. Verify ignition. Once the gas is flowing, you will need to ignite the fireplace. Refer to the fireplace manufacturer's instructions for the specific ignition method. This may involve using a pilot light or an electronic ignition switch.
Turning off the gas fireplace.
To turn off a gas fireplace, follow these steps. 1. Locate the gas fireplace key. Just like when turning it on, find the gas fireplace key near the fireplace. 2. Insert the key. Insert the key into the gas valve. 3. Turn the key. To turn off the gas fireplace, turn the key in a counterclockwise direction. Again, you should feel resistance as you turn the key. 4. Verify shutdown. After turning off the gas, make sure the fireplace flames are completely extinguished and that the gas supply has been successfully shut off. We hope this video has provided you with a clear answer on which direction to turn the gas fireplace key to turn it on or off. Remember, when turning on the gas fireplace, you turn the key clockwise, and when turning it off, you turn the key counterclockwise. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and exercise caution when operating any gas appliances. Stay safe and enjoy the warmth and comfort of your gas fireplace. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.